Are you struggling to attract new clients? Say goodbye to those challenges and hello to an endless stream of leads with Fitness Lead Machine. We specialize in driving high-quality leads directly to your doorstep, helping you grow your fitness empire like never before. No more wasting time and money on ineffective marketing strategies. With Fitness Lead Machine, you get a constant flow of free, high-quality leads that are tailored to fit your business needs. Every potential client is a perfect match for what you offer. But it doesn't stop there. With Fitness Lead Machine, you also get increased sales and revenue. Our expert team works closely with you to develop a customized strategy that maximizes your business's potential. We understand your goals, target audience, and unique selling points to create a tailored approach that drives results. Imagine a packed schedule, satisfied clients, and the revenue you've always dreamed of. Fitness Lead Machine can make this dream a reality. We have a proven track record of delivering exceptional results for fitness businesses like yours. Supercharge your fitness. Imagine a packed schedule, satisfied clients, and the revenue you've always dreamed of. Fitness Lead Machine can make this dream a reality. We have a proven track record of delivering exceptional results for fitness businesses like yours. Supercharge your fitness business with Fitness Lead Machine. Contact us now and let's make your business the go-to fitness hub in town. Don't waste any more time and money on ineffective strategies. Choose Fitness Lead Machine and achieve the success you've always desired. Contact us today and let's embark on this exciting journey together. Fitness Lead Machine is here to support you every step of the way. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Contact us now and let's get started.